If you're seeing a Capcut install error on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Capcut installed and running properly. This is a super common issue, and in most cases it comes down to system requirements, permissions, or security software blocking the installer. So stay with me, follow each step carefully, and by the end you should have a much better chance of fixing the problem. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is check whether your PC meets the basic system requirements for Capcut. For a smooth installation, your computer should have at least 4 GB of RAM, although 8 GB is recommended, especially if you want better performance. You also need a 64-bit operating system, such as Windows 10, Windows 11, or a compatible 64-bit version of macOS. If your PC is running an older 32-bit system, the installer may fail, or the app may not launch correctly. To check this on Windows, open Settings, go to System, then About, and look for your system type and installed RAM. If your machine does not meet the requirements, the installer may not complete properly, and that would explain the error you're seeing. If everything looks good there, move on to the next fix. The second step is to run the installer as administrator. Sometimes Capcut gets blocked because Windows does not give the installer enough permission to make changes on your device. To do this, find the Capcut setup file in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Then right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. If a user account control pop-up appears, click Yes to allow it. This gives the installer elevated permission and can often solve install errors that happen halfway through setup or when the installer seems to freeze. If you're still getting an error after that, don't panic. There is one more very common cause. Your antivirus or firewall may be interfering with the installation. Security software can sometimes mistake app installers for suspicious activity and block files from being copied or extracted correctly. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus protection during the installation process. If you're using Windows Security, open the app, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and temporarily turn off real-time protection. If you use a third-party antivirus, open its settings and pause protection for a few minutes just while Capcut installs. You may also want to check your firewall if the installer keeps failing while downloading required components. Once the installation finishes, make sure to turn your antivirus back on right away so your PC stays protected. After that, try opening Capcut again and see if the problem is resolved. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes, meeting the system requirements, running the installer as administrator, or temporarily disabling antivirus protection, is enough to get past the Capcut install error on PC. If you followed along and it worked, let me know in the comments. And if you want more quick tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.